Samsung may have given us our first official glimpse at what to expect with the Galaxy S25 Ultra when it comes to the new cameras as well as the power on the inside. In case you don't know, things are moving pretty quick for the S25 series as we already have our first battery certification for the Galaxy S25 model, which shows that these devices are fully in cooking mode. So here we go. Samsung has officially announced not one, not two, but three new camera sensors. Starting with Samsung's highest resolution zoom sensor, which is ISOCELL HP9, coming at 200 megapixel. Then we have ISOCELL G&J, a solid 50 megapixel sensor, could be very suitable for the Galaxy S25/S25 Plus. And then finally, ISOCELL JN5, the new 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, which we have heard that it could be on the S25 Ultra, so this may be that sensor. All of these sensors except the ISOCELL JN5 sports videos up to 8K 30 FPS, plus better image and video performance in range of different situations, especially low light. Plus, Samsung has improved the in-sensor zoom even further with the help of AI technology. And lastly, one key upgrades of all three sensors is that these sensors draw much less power compared to the previous generation. For example, with the ISOCELL G&J, if you're shooting 4K 60 FPS video, it's gonna take about 30% less power compared to the previous generation. If you're someone who uses camera all the time, this will make a difference. Now, apart from the cameras, Galaxy S25 Ultra will be a console gaming monster. According to the news coming from China, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 apparently has an AI-powered frame generation technology, which is very similar to AMD's FSR and Nvidia's DLSS. In case you don't know what these terms means, basically in a nutshell, the GPU will be able to upscale the game graphics without any quality difference. With this frame generation technology, Galaxy S25 Ultra can apparently run Genshin Impact, a console quality game, at 1080p resolution with a constant 120 FPS. Just for a comparison, S24 Ultra runs this game at 720p at 60 frames per second, so this is definitely a huge jump when it comes to graphical power is concerned. Again, the 8 Gen 4 is still in the works. The final version will deliver even better quality. Now, last but not the least, we have a rumored correction. Someone recently reported that the S25 Plus could get dished, but that turned out to be false. As double checked by Galaxy Club, S25 series will once again return with three models: S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. So that's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.